Today, we're making a comforting and flavorful one-pot garlicky chicken thighs with giant couscous.
Here's everything you need for this dish. 4 large skin-on, bone-in chicken thighs, 1 onion, and 200 grams cavolo nero. For this recipe, we'll use a large frying pan, a saucepan, a colander, a knife, chopping board, and a zester. Let's start cooking. Season the chicken, then place skin side down in a wide frying pan over medium-low heat. Cook 8 to 10 minutes until golden. Add the onion and cavolo nero stalks to the pan, season, and cook for 8 to 10 minutes until soft. Stir in the giant couscous, then pour in 675 ml of cold water, season, and bring to a boil. Meanwhile, mix parsley with lemon zest, juice, and olive oil. Season to taste. Remove chicken from oven, let it rest for 5 minutes, then drizzle over the dressing and serve. Enjoy your meal, and I'll see you in the next episode.